जी स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम M.C.Qs का कर रहे हैं काम और हम इसका दूसरा हिस्सा शुरू करने लगे हैं जिसमें हम M.C.Qs को मज़ीद देखेंगे जो पेपर में आ चुके हैं और उनके राइट ऑप्शंस आपको बताए जाएंगे। द वैल्यू ऑफ द G ऑन द सन इज़ 247.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड। स्टूडेंट्स, अपने दोस्तों के साथ लाजमी वीडियो को शेयर करें और लाइक करें वीडियो को, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को लाजमी दबाएं ताकि वीडियो हर आने वाली आप तक पहुंच सके और आपके पेपर में मज़ीद अच्छी तैयारी हो सके। द बॉडी इज़ अ न्यूट्रल इक्विलिब्रियम व्हेन इट इज़ सेंटर ऑफ द ग्रेविटी इज़ द लोएस्ट पोजीशन। विच मटीरियल लोअर फ्रिक्शन व्हेन द पुश बिटवीन द मेटल प्लेट्स? ऑयल। The unit of the force is Newton. The motion of the body about the axis is called rotatory motion. Least count of the skew gauge is 0.01 mm. The quick heat transfer saucepan are made of metal. In gases, heat is mainly transferred by convection. सॉलिड में कंडक्शन होता है और इसमें कन्वेंशन। वाटर फ्रोज एट 32 फ़ारेनहाइट रेट। 1 पास्कल इज इक्वल टू 1 न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। द एनर्जी ड्यू टू द मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी। द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन द कोल इज केमिकल एनर्जी। जी स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट MCQs की तरफ जा रहे हैं। In which of the following state molecular do not leave their position? Solid. The value of G on the surface of the moon is 1.6 meter per second square. System international unit of power is watt. Rate of flow of heat is Q over T. Which of the following is the vector quantity? Velocity. System international unit of the torque is Newton meter. Specific heat of the water is 4200. System international unit of the momentum is kilogram meter per second. Latent thermal expression of the is 1 plus alpha delta T. Potential energy mgh. Which one of the following is the smallest quantity? 5000 ng. Coefficient of the friction Fs over R. Students, rate of change of the momentum is equal to force. The orbital speed of the low orbit satellite is 8000. Kinetic energy of the body of the mass 2 kg is 25 J and then speed is 5. In the gas, the heat mainly transferred by convection. System international unit of the force is Newton. System international unit of the density is kilogram per meter cube. And interval of the 200 megas is equivalent to 2 multiplied 10 की power minus 4s. System international unit of thermal conductivity is Wm minus 1 K minus 1. The number of the force that can be added by the heat to the tail rule is head and tail rule. Added by head and tail rule is 4 3 2 कहता है any number, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है। The system international unit of the energy is joule. A ball is thrown vertically upward is vertically at the highest position is 0. The coefficient of the volume expansion of the aluminium is 7.2 10 की power minus 5 per K. The number of the perpendicular component of the force is 2. amount of the substance in the term of the number of the measured in mole. Inertia depends upon mass. mv square over r is equal to centripetal force. Rate of doing the work is called power. Which of the following material has large specific heat? Water. The earth gravitational force of attraction vanishes at infinity. In which of the following state molecules do not have their position? Solids. In the solid, heat is transferred by conduction. बहुत है M.C.Qs बार बार आ रहा है. 1.009 meter. M has a significant figure is for the ball is thrown vertically upward and vertically position higher is 0. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Law of inertia is known as first law of motion. Water freeze at 32 Fahrenheit. Inertia is the mass of energy. Energy equation C is speed of light. Cheetah can run at the speed of 70 km per hour. G. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Radiation is made of the transfer of the heat of the one place to the other place of the wave is called electromagnetic waves. Coefficient of the friction between the tire and the wet rod is 0.2. Value of sin 630 is 0.5. The value of the G at the highest earth radius above the surface of the earth is 1/4G. Thermal conductivity of the wood is 0.08. 1 liter is equal to 1 mm cube. Density of ice is 920. The rate of the work is called power. Land and the sea breeze are the result of convection. The number of the perpendicular component of the surface force are 2. The density of the ice is 920. Which scientist observed that it is easy to move or the stop light object that heavier one? Newton. And inertia of the 200 ms 2 multiplied 10 to the power minus 4. Earth gravitational force of attraction infinity. Which of the following is the vector quantity? Displacement. In which state the matter molecule does not? Solid. बार बार आ रहा है MCQs. The speed of the gravitational satellite is 8. Inertia depends upon mass. Which material has the large specific heat? Water. जी स्टूडेंट्स, 2 हमारे MCQs रह गए, यानी कि अब वो हम अगले पार्ट में करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. आप अगला पार्ट लाजमी देखिएगा. अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें वीडियो.